photograph you want to take?
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hi.
Apologize
For what?
for the way you just treated me when I asked you about a pot.
There's a pot.
Do you want to
sitting on
start
the
this
counter.
weekend? Do you want to start this weekend off good or bad?
There's a pot sitting on the counter.
I
plain
didn't
as day.
realize
I
that.
packed everything, and then you want to come in here and try to ask me.
No, I didn't realize you had already did that. All you had to do is say, "Baby, I already got one out." Say
Pay
say.
attention to your surroundings.
No, just say, "Baby."
Why are you videoing this messy room of Brenda's?
I ain't showing the floor. Say, "Baby, I already got one out."
No, Dan already got one out.
That's not being very nice. Guys, we were trying to get ready to go to the lake. And there's B. Grace is going to the lake with us. Ain't that right, B. Grace?
Yeah, and I'm gonna see Brooks.
Yes, Brooks is going to be there. Anyway, we're trying to get ready to go to the lake, and Lulu's a little bit short-tempered with me right now. I'm not sure why. I haven't done anything.
Just said why. I just
But
packed everything, and you want to come in here and act like you're in charge or something.
baby, I'm not in charge of anything around here. You know, except for that cutting board. It's the only thing I'm in charge of. Anyway, we volunteered to cook this weekend for everybody at the lake. So, we are going to make our... Lou, what are we making? The Cajun pasta?
Yeah.
So we're going to make our Cajun pasta for everybody this weekend. And just trying to make sure we got everything together. And of course, I asked Lulu if we had a big enough pot, because there's going to be a bunch of us. And then she got short-tempered with me.
What's on this counter right
I didn't see that, baby.
Show them though, so I can prove
I understand that you have a big pot.
Everything is
I
in
understand.
the pot right here, ready to go.
I
and
didn't
you're
see that.
asking me if
I didn't see that.
you walked right by it.
See what I deal with? Y'all see what I deal with?
Y'all see what I?
That well, no.
Y'all see
Everybody
what
will say, "Well, yeah, why didn't you look at it?" Because everybody always takes your side, but it's okay. It's all right. Love y'all anyway. Guys, fishing video coming your way. Hopefully, if we catch some fish and if my GoPro works, we'll see what happens. Okay, everybody, are we good?
I think so.
Huh?
Lou, are you good?
I think so.
Brentley, are you good?
Yes.
Brentley, what are you eating?
Popcorn.
What did you call it when you got that out of the cabinet and put it in the truck? What'd you call it?
My safety popcorn.
Your safety snack?
Safety snack.
We're going less than 2 hours and really has to have a safety snack. I wonder where she gets that from. Yeah, I know where she gets that from. All right, guys, we're headed to the lake. Next stop will be Whataburger.
Oh yeah, Whataburger. In the store.
Got to be a Whataburger Friday night. All right, y'all come with us, man. I think you'll enjoy the weekend. Got some fun stuff maybe lined up, hopefully. And Bubba's going to be building Laura a bridge for her birthday across a little creek-looking thing.
Bubba is going to be building. You know, Daniel's going to be helping Bubba build.
Daniel's
that.
going fishing. I done told Bubba I'm going fishing. If they still got something to do when I get back, I'll help them. But my main objective is fish. So anyway, y'all come with us. Check it out. We'll have a good time. Good food, good fellowship. And hopefully have a great weekend. I hope y'all enjoy y'all's weekend as well. And we'll catch you in a little bit. Hey, Brentley Grace, are you already tired?
Sit up, Big Grace. Tell everybody what you did at Brookshire Brothers a while ago.
Yeah.
Got a bunch of candy?
But what
she
happened
found
in the store?
She found something.
Yeah.
I found a blue egg.
And what did you get for finding that blue egg in the store?
So Brookshire Brothers had like these eggs hidden throughout the store. I don't know why it's not. I guess it's fixing to be Easter.
Yeah.
But they had these eggs hidden throughout the store. And if you found one, you got to get a prize. When you got to the front, Brentley Grace got a blue egg. And what'd you get? What was your prize?
Some Play-Doh.
Play-Doh? Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going out with the guys. What are y'all going to do? Y'all coming
I
out?
don't know yet what she wants to do.
All right, well, y'all got this place a wreck already. Like, this place is a mess.
This is not a wreck. It's her stuff.
This is a mess. Oh, boy, it's early, guys. Robert's out waiting on me. Pretty quiet here at camp, except for the birds are chirping. Me and Robert's gonna go catch the fish. Ain't we, Robert?
That's right.
We are the professionals. We are the professionals of this camp right here. We are the professional fishermen.
By far.
By far. The birds are chirping, that means the fish are biting. Let's go get them. Happens. Good fish? Yeah. Not bad. Oh, he's hung up. He's a good fish.
Well, what do you need? I ain't got no net.
Look at that, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, son. Holy schmoly. That's a hoss. Golly. Man, that's a fish right there. Whew. 3 pounds?
Yeah, he's 3 pounds all day.
They will bite that top water, Robert. They will. Well, guys, Robert just told me that I look like a defeated man up on the front of the boat. Robert, we caught 2 fish today.
Not a very good day.
Not been a very good day. The thing is, I caught the first one like, we ain't been on the water 5 minutes. Caught that first fish. We thought, oh my gosh, it's gonna be an awesome day. But it wasn't. So let's at least let this one go. Robert already threw his back. Guys, this is a really nice fish that we caught here though. Oh boy. We're not gonna clean him because he's a little bit too big to, I don't like to keep him this big and eat them. Let him go back and make babies or have babies or whatever. Her. Oh, goodness gracious. It's probably a good 3.5 pound fish right there. Beautiful fish. Anyway, when you catch that one first thing in the morning starting off, how can a day go wrong? And it went pretty wrong. All right, get out of here. All right, that's a wrap for fishing. We'll go back to camp and cook some food later on and be a good day. All right, Robert. Since we got out here, the wind has picked up like crazy. I don't know if y'all can see the white caps out there. It is blowing. It was a rough ride back over here. But we're at the boat dock now. Robert's going to get the boat, get the truck, and see if we can't get this boat loaded in all this wind. Guys, there is a guy out here on a jet ski today, and it's not warm. It's not warm out here. The wind's blowing. The water temperature is only 70 degrees. He has got to be cold. There's just no. He's not even wearing like a wetsuit, unless he's just staying dry somehow. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen. Jet ski out here on a day like today. See how much wind blowing. That flag is straight out. But this is what we decided to come fishing in.